Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow, 2024. This structured breakdown highlights why the NZXT H7 Flow is an exceptional mid-tower case option for 2025. Here's an analysis of the sections provided. Why we picked it. Thermal and noise performance. The H7 Flow excels in 2 critical areas, airflow and noise containment. With perforated panels and 3 pre-installed intake fans, it ensures optimal cooling while maintaining a reasonable noise profile. Premium build quality. NZXT's attention to detail shines with striking design elements, a durable chassis, and top-notch fit and finish. Price point. At $129.99, it offers a solid balance of features, aesthetics, and performance, making it a strong value in the mid-tower market. Who it's for. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts. This case is perfect for builders seeking an easy-to-manage mid-tower that supports clean cable management with minimal effort. Liquid cooling support. It's well equipped for advanced setups, including support for large radiators, catering to gamers or performance enthusiasts aiming for maximum thermal efficiency. Specs and configurations. Compatibility. Motherboard sizes, supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX formats. GPU and cooler clearance. Maximum GPU length, 410 mm. Maximum CPU cooler height, 185 mm. Storage bays. 2.5-inch bays, 2 internal. 3.5-inch bays, 2 internal. Cooling and fans. Fan positions, 7, accommodating 120 mm or 140 mm fans. Pre-installed fans, 3 120 mm or 140 mm intake fans. Front panel connectivity. Ports. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A. 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C. HD audio jack. Physical dimensions. Size, 21.4 by 9.6 by 18.75 inches, HWD. Weight, 24.3 pounds. Power supply support. Form factor, ATX. Maximum length, 270 mm. Lighting. Chassis lighting, none. Fan lighting, none. Why it stands out. The NZXT H7 Flow redefines the balance between functionality, design, and price in a mid-tower chassis. It caters to enthusiasts who value ease of assembly, strong thermal performance, and sleek aesthetics. Whether you're building your first PC or upgrading to a high-end rig with liquid cooling, the H7 Flow delivers exceptional value for money. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Here's an analysis of the Qube 500, a unique and fun PC case designed for DIY enthusiasts and family projects. Why we picked it. DIY assembly approach. The Qube 500 offers a creative twist on PC building by making the case itself a DIY project. This feature appeals to hobbyists and families looking for a shared activity or those who enjoy assembling their builds from the ground up. Stylish and customizable aesthetic. Available in various colors, the Qube 500 combines fun with function. Swappable face panels allow users to refresh the look whenever they feel like a change. Broad compatibility. Despite its compact design, it supports full ATX motherboards and full-size power supplies, making it versatile for various builds. Who it's for. DIY enthusiasts and families. This case is ideal for builders who enjoy the process of creating and personalizing their systems. It's also a great choice for family projects, offering a memorable shared experience. Budget-conscious builders. The Qube 500 provides solid value for the price while delivering a quality chassis once assembled. Specs and configurations. Compatibility. Motherboard sizes, supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini IDX. GPU and cooler clearance. Maximum GPU length, 368 mm. Maximum CPU cooler height, 175 mm. Storage bays. 2.5-inch bays, 3 internal. 3.5-inch bays, 4 internal. Cooling and fans. Fan positions, 3, accommodating 120 mm or 140 mm fans. Pre-installed fans, 1 included. Front panel connectivity. Ports. 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A. HD audio jack. Physical dimensions. Size, 16.4 by 9.1 by 16.0 inches, HWD. Weight, 17 pounds. Power supply support. Form factor, ATX. Maximum length, 215 mm. Lighting. Chassis lighting, none. Fan lighting, none. Why it stands out. The Qube 500 is a rare blend of practicality, affordability, and creativity. Its DIY assembly concept transforms PC building into a rewarding experience, and its customizable aesthetics ensure your setup can reflect your personality. With broad motherboard and power supply support, it's both functional and fun, a perfect fit for builders of all levels looking to create a unique, stylish, and personal rig. Number 3. Fractal Design Era 2. Here's a detailed look at the Fractal Design Era 2, a standout choice for many IDX enthusiasts who value style, quality, and functionality. Why we picked it. Evolution of a classic design. The Era 2 builds on the already impressive foundation of the original Era ITX, addressing critiques with improved cooling, ventilation, and assembly features. Premium materials and aesthetic. Its aluminum body and optional walnut top panel elevate it beyond the typical Mini IDX case, making it a centerpiece of any setup. Engineering excellence. Fractal's attention to detail shines through with thoughtful design choices, clear assembly instructions, and a well-labeled accessory kit. Who it's for? Small form factor PC builders. Ideal for those building a compact yet powerful PC, especially when premium components and aesthetics are a priority. Design and quality enthusiasts. If you're looking for a sleek, modern case that pairs well with high-end hardware, the Era 2 ensures your investment in premium parts is matched by a fitting enclosure. Builders who value convenience. The easy assembly features and clear guidance make this case an excellent choice for both first-time builders and experienced enthusiasts. Specs and configurations. Compatibility. Motherboard form factor, Mini IDX only. GPU length, supports GPUs up to 326 mm in length, accommodating most high-performance cards. CPU cooler height, maximum of 70 mm, suited for low-profile or specialized cooling solutions. Cooling and fans. Fan positions, 4 positions for 120 mm or 140 mm fans. Pre-installed fans, 2 included for improved airflow. Enhanced ventilation, optimized to prevent overheating in small spaces. Storage options. 2.5-inch bays, 4 internal, suitable for SSDs and compact storage drives. Front panel connectivity. Ports. 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 Type-C port. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports. HD audio jack. Power supply support. Form factor, SFX. Maximum length, 200 mm. Location, front-mounted to maximize internal space. Physical dimensions. Size, 12.4 by 6.5 by 14.4 inches, HWD. Weight, 10.1 pounds. Why it stands out. The Fractal Design Era 2 combines striking aesthetics with practical functionality, creating a top-tier Mini IDX case that doesn't compromise on style or performance. Its premium materials, thoughtful engineering, and support for a variety of configurations make it a standout choice for anyone building a small yet powerful PC. Whether it's the elegant walnut panel, the aluminum body, or the well-designed airflow system, the Era 2 offers a premium experience that justifies its price tag. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. Here's a closer look at the Thermaltake View 270 RG ARGB, a vibrant and feature-rich PC case that delivers premium perks at a budget-friendly price. Why we picked it? Exceptional value. Priced under $100, the View 270 RG delivers features like USB Type-C support, tempered glass panels, 3 addressable RGB fans, and comprehensive dust filters, characteristics often found in higher-end cases. Eye-catching design. Available in bold color options like pistachio green, hydrangea blue, and classic white, this case makes a visual statement that sets it apart from the competition. Editor's Choice Award winner. Its blend of affordability, aesthetics, and functionality earned it top honors for value and design. Who it's for? Budget-conscious gamers. Ideal for gamers or builders looking to maximize their budget while still enjoying premium features. The money saved here can be allocated to more powerful hardware components. Builders seeking style and function. The unique color options and sleek tempered glass wraparound panel make this case perfect for those wanting a visually stunning build without breaking the bank. Large hardware enthusiasts. The generous internal space accommodates eATX motherboards, long GPUs, and tall CPU coolers, offering plenty of flexibility for powerful builds. Specs and configurations. Compatibility. Motherboard form factors, supports eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini IDX, offering versatility for various build sizes. GPU length, up to 428 mm, making it capable of housing even the largest graphics cards. CPU cooler height, supports coolers up to 180 mm, perfect for high-performance cooling solutions. Cooling and fans. Fan positions, up to 6 positions for 120 mm or 140 mm fans for optimal airflow. Pre-installed fans, 3 addressable RGB fans included for vibrant lighting and effective cooling. Dust management, comprehensive dust filters at all fan locations help keep your components clean. Storage options. 3.5-inch bays, 2 internal bays for hard drives. 2.5-inch bays, 2 internal bays for SSDs or compact storage devices. Front panel connectivity. Ports. 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port. 2 USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports. HD audio jack for seamless audio device integration. Power supply support. Form factor, ATX. Maximum length, 280 mm. Location, bottom mounted for stability and efficient cable routing. Physical dimensions. Size, 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 inches, HWD. Weight, 14 pounds. Lighting features. Fan lighting, addressable RGB for customizable aesthetics. Chassis lighting, none, keeping the focus on fan illumination. Why it stands out. The Thermaltake View 270 RG ARGB is a rare gem in the budget PC case market. It offers a premium experience with its striking color options, tempered glass design, and high-end features like USB Type-C and RGB lighting, all while keeping the price remarkably low. Whether you're assembling a high-performance gaming rig or a stylish home office PC, this case proves that you don't need to compromise on quality or aesthetics when working with a budget. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. Here's a detailed breakdown of the Lian Li DAN A3-mATX, a standout micro ATX case born from an exciting collaboration. Why we picked it? Collaborative innovation. A partnership between Lian Li and DAN Cases, the A3-mATX combines Lian Li's expertise in case manufacturing with DAN Cases' reputation for compact, efficient designs. Perfect mid-compact size. It's not an ultra-compact chassis, but its dimensions strike a balance, accommodating robust builds without taking over your desk space. Exceptional value. For its combination of thoughtful design, build quality, and features, it offers remarkable bang for your buck. These strengths earned it an Editor's Choice Award. Who it's for? Practical builders. Ideal for those who prioritize functionality over flashy aesthetics. While it supports RGB fans, the case shines when paired with solid panels and straightforward builds. Micro ATX enthusiasts. If you prefer a slightly larger-than compact form factor with excellent support for components and flexibility, this case is for you. Budget-conscious buyers. Lian Li DAN cases have delivered an accessible, high-quality chassis that's perfect for general-purpose PC builds without overspending. Specs and configurations. Compatibility. Motherboard form factors, supports Micro ATX and Mini IDX, offering versatility for different build sizes. GPU length, fits graphics cards up to 425mm, suitable for most high-end GPUs. CPU cooler height, supports coolers up to 165mm, making it compatible with various air cooling solutions. Cooling and fans. Fan positions, supports up to 4 120mm or 140mm fans for optimized airflow. Pre-installed fans, none, giving you the freedom to select your preferred fans. Storage options. 3.5-inch bays, 1 internal bay for larger hard drives. 2.5-inch bays, 3 internal bays for SSDs or smaller storage drives. Front panel connectivity. Ports. 1 USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port. 2 USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports. HD audio jack for easy connection to audio devices. Power supply support. Form factors, supports ATX, SFX, and SFXL power supplies, offering maximum flexibility. Maximum length, up to 270mm, accommodating most modern PS use. Mounting location, front-mounted for efficient cable routing. Physical dimensions. Size, 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 inches, HWD. Weight, 10.8 pounds. Lighting features. Internal chassis lighting, none, emphasizing simplicity. Optional RGB, fans can be customized for subtle or vibrant lighting effects. Why it stands out. The Lian Li DAN A3-mATX is a thoughtful and balanced case that perfectly blends functionality, size, and quality. It's not for showy RGB-heavy builds but rather for those who want a clean, efficient, and reliable chassis for general-purpose use. Its support for multiple configurations and excellent hardware compatibility make it a top choice for Micro ATX builders. If you're looking for a versatile, stylish, and affordable Micro ATX case, this collaboration between Lian Li and DAN cases proves to be an outstanding option.